This video tracks the construction progress of the dining room located on the lower level. On June 1st, we begin our look at the lower level dining room, showing the space as it was before construction. By June 2nd, the team has started installing the framework for new walls in the dining room. Work continues on June 2nd with the installation of plywood wall panels to define the new layout. A progress update from June 2nd shows the wall framing and paneling extending further across the room. On June 8th, the entrance to the dining room from the main stairs is clearly visible, with new construction elements in place. By June 23rd, structural work is underway, highlighting the future elevator location and the nave entrance. Another view on June 23rd shows the extent of the work looking into the stairwell, including the elevator pit area. Construction continues on June 23rd as the area is cleared for the elevator installation. On June 25th, the dining room floor is being prepped for the structural changes required for the elevator. By June 29th, the team has begun breaking ground for the elevator pit. This view from June 29th shows the excavated area where the elevator pit is being established. On June 30th, a portable conveyor is now being used to efficiently remove soil from the pit. Work on the elevator pit continues into July 1st, with the conveyor system still in operation. A final look at the progress on July 1st shows the depth of the excavation as the work continues. Moving to the lower level dining room on July 7th, we see the excavation of the elevator pit reaching its next phase. By July 9th, safety measures are in place around the pit, including caution tape and temporary protective barriers. This July 9th view highlights the perimeter safety setup surrounding the elevator pit area in the dining room. On July 10th, the pit excavation remains active, showing the progress made on the elevator's foundational space. Shifting our focus to the lower level kitchen area, we look back at the early stages of the project. On June 1st, the kitchen space appears prior to the scheduled renovation work. This image from June 1st provides a baseline view of the kitchen's condition before the team commenced improvements. By June 15th, initial preparations for the kitchen remodel were already underway. On June 18th, crews made significant progress, clearing out the existing cabinetry and appliances. Another angle from June 18th shows the cleared kitchen area ready for the next phase of construction. This view, also from June 18th, emphasizes the open floor plan now created in the kitchen. On June 19th, structural adjustments to the kitchen space continued as the site was readied for future installations. By June 23rd, the kitchen transformation was well documented as part of the broader lower-level project. On June 26th, we can clearly see the former dishwasher and peninsula counter area after their removal. Finally, this June 26th shot shows the kitchen view from the pass-through windows, illustrating the progress of the renovation. Moving on to June 26th, we see the kitchen cupboards on the south wall have been successfully removed. On June 29th, the focus shifted to the necessary plumbing relocations within the kitchen space. By July 2nd, the team was preparing to cut a trench into the kitchen floor for utility access. Here, on July 6th, we can see the trench cut into the floor, essential for the plumbing relocation project. This July 9th view provides another look at the trenching work performed under the kitchen floor. We now transition to the nave level, where significant architectural work has taken place. This image from June 1st shows the initial state of the nave entrance before improvements began. By June 8th, the appearance of the nave entrance had begun to shift as the project progressed. Another perspective on June 8th captures the changes occurring at the nave entrance. On June 25th, the stairwell was documented, showing access to both the offices and the lower dining room area. Next, we explore the first floor common area, a central part of the renovation. This June 2nd view shows the first floor common area looking toward the main courtyard entrance. On June 17th, the common area was captured looking toward the office spaces. Also on June 17th, we can see a clear view looking directly into the rector's office. Our final view of the first floor common area, taken on June 26th, shows continued progress into the office space.